Hi you guys, welcome to this week's lunch meal prep video. This week I'm going to do mason jar salads for the week. It's going to be a taco salad. So I have ground turkey and taco seasoning. I'm going to cook that up first so that it is completely cooled before I put it into the mason jars. We don't want it to be warm at all. It'll make the rest of the ingredients soggy. So I'll cook that up. I also have avocado, cherry tomatoes, corn, black beans, and my lettuce, of course, that I'll chop up. And I have my keto ranch dressing that I've made before. Check that video out if you haven't already. So I'll have the recipe for this in the description box if you want to make this one. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the ground turkey cooking.
All right, the first thing I'm going to do is break up all the ground turkey. I'm going to cook it on all the sides. It's cooked all the way through. Then I will drain the fat and I will add in the packet of taco seasoning along with half of a cup of water, and I'll bring it to a simmer for about 5 minutes, and then the taco meat will be ready to go. I'm going to let it cool completely before putting it into the mason jars with the rest of the salad. All right, now I'm going to chop up all the other veggies for our taco salad. So I have cherry tomatoes. I've already washed them, and I'm going to cut them in half. And then I'm also going to cut up the avocado so that it's ready to be put into the mason jar salads. For this week's mason jar salads, I'm using romaine lettuce. So you can use your preference, but I like to use romaine lettuce with these mason jar salads. So I'm going to chop it up into small pieces, the lettuce, so that it's ready to go into our jars. All right, so everything's ready to go into my mason jars for this week's mason jar salad, the taco salad. So I'm going to make a layer of taco meat, and then I'll do a layer of corn, black beans, cherry tomatoes, avocado, some cheese, and then I'll put the lettuce on top. These salads will stay fresh all week, so they'll be ready to go for lunch. They are really delicious. All right, so the salads are ready to go in the mason jar for each day this week. So I'm going to portion out also the ranch dressing that I made into little containers so that we can put them inside of the mason jars and the salad won't get soggy.
All right, so I'm just gonna put the dressing on top of the mason jars, and our lunch is ready for the week. So check the description box for the recipe for this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, and I will see you all next time. I hope that you have a great week. Bye-bye.